know. Hey everyone, if you are already here, let me see if it's working or not. I'm just checking some stuff. If it start working, fine. I will share the link in my Facebook group. Alright, if you're not in my Facebook group, the links are gonna be into this video. Let me just set it up, everything, and then we'll go with the video. Alright, let me just share the link. I don't know why, but this Apple sucks. I just posted that Apple sucks because after every update my iMac keep getting slower. It's old, yeah, but still it shouldn't be like that. It was working fine since I updated last update. It's very laggy. I can't open more than few tabs. It just gets slower. But when I bought this, it used to be much quicker, much better, but it's keep getting slower and slower. Anyways, I don't want to complain about anything. So thank you very much. Yes, I have been away for a long time. I need to mention that. Why? Because first thing I said in my last video that I am moving to new house. So I've been busy, a lot busy there, setting up new things, buying new stuff for my room and everything. So slowly building everything. It takes time. I was busy with family as well, and there's a shopping that I'm doing for because I'm going next month back home Pakistan as well. So much going on, and I just wanted to take some rest from this market. It's not that I'm leaving or going away. No, I'm active on my Facebook group, but I wasn't active on YouTube. YouTube requires a lot of time, and for me, this is not my way to make money. YouTube is not my earning sources. Is trading, and I am doing that. You can see if you follow my Ethereum Classic signal, you know you made a lot of profit, more than 50% profit since I gave the signal. Okay, the first signal I gave, after that we have market crash, but we recovered, everything is done, and I even said buy low in bloodbath, and yeah, whoever bought again low, that's awesome. AC bounce back. Yeah, of course it will. I'm not sure if I can come to the certain I don't know, I can't even speak right now. So it depends where I'm gonna go. I won't be able to come. If you guys want to meet me in Pakistan, but I won't be coming every city. I will be till Islamabad, that's it. I won't go further than that. Just personal reasons. But yeah, let's go with the video first. Let me just share these links in the group, so I don't want anyone to miss it. Alright, then people ask me some questions again, and I want them to be here, ask questions, and yeah, that's all. Where is the link? Link is here. Do share with your friends as well. Alright, so they can join the live too. Alright, the group. Come to Turkey. I wish. Not right now. I wanna go so many countries. Like I wanna go everywhere, but not yet. Not yet. Let's see when I'm gonna go to other countries. I haven't go even. I have to wait 2 years more to get British passport. Then I will be able to go everywhere. But right now with Pakistani passport, I have to get visa. But I can go to Europe because I have Spanish residence card. I live 4 years in Spain, and because of that card, I can go anywhere I want in Europe. Alright, yeah, let me just share the last in my Facebook, in Telegram, so everyone can join on Telegram. Alright, I'm live on YouTube. My brother's asking me they're going gym, if I wanna go gym. Alright, let me just share this. I may miss gym just because of you guys. I mean, just for you guys. Alright. I don't know why. I need to get used to again on YouTube. I'm from Kolkata, India. Welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. Alright. Let me just share this with everyone on my channels, Discord as well. The last one left. I have so much to do, so many groups and everything. Like there's a lot for me, a lot of things to do. Just the group, manage the group. I don't charge anyone, I don't do anything. I give a lot of information for free. I'm a trader. The thing I hate with YouTube, lots of YouTubers, we all know it's all about hype. In this market there's almost nothing yet. It's early adoption right now. There's nothing much going on with the projects, and there's no products in ICOs. There's hardly 5% ICO that have a product. But this hype from YouTubers, it just makes the price go up so much, and the newbie buy the peaks. All right, the newbie watch the videos late and they buy at the top. I give it because I knew etc will go high, and that's why I give the signal very early, and hopefully everyone will benefit from that. I really I really wish that, I hope everyone made money from it, because they did. If they followed the signal on the right time, did buy it, they did made a lot of money. 50% is not less, it's a lot of money. None of any business you go won't give you 50% profit. If you look at dollar value, you made almost 100%. Alright, because BTC went up from 6,000 to 9,000 plus right now, and that matters a lot as well. Okay, so what we're looking at right now, I'm struggling speaking as well right now. So I was looking at this BTC chart. Let's see if we're gonna bounce from here. I'm expecting a bounce, but breakout was good. The next resistance I'm looking for is this one. I have been saying from last week, 9,500. This is the next resistance that I'm looking for. The breakout of this is gonna be pretty insane, and it's gonna take time. As long as we hold this, and there's gonna be few hours, maybe by the time we close daily candle, or after that we'll break that. I'm not sure yet. Time will tell. So this is the 4 hour I was looking for. If we look at daily, it's making a great patterns. Okay, we have been making a great patterns on daily. The breakout was so good. When it break out 9,000, it spiked pretty well. Right now we're standing at almost 9,200. First we keep making higher highs and higher lows, so this is very good sign. And the buy volume has been more than the selling volume here. If you see, we had buying spikes and the selling spike. There is no selling spike, so it means we're doing well. Okay, people that purchased low, but still there is something you need to understand. This is a downtrend line. We need to cross that line to confirm we are on bull run. When we cross this, alt's gonna get hit, and people gonna focus more on Bitcoin, because this line is not easy to break. Okay, even we touch now to this line, I'm pretty sure this is the resistance we're gonna have. Even if someone is not looking at this line, trend line, this is very strong resistance for us. At this line, this is, sometimes you don't need to look at the trend line or anything. Sometimes just support and resistance will do the job, or sometimes the trend lines, but they all are mixed up here in this one. It just makes the pattern that you don't need to use everything, every tool. Even one tool will work if you know what you're doing, if you know well. There is no backlight. There is two lights here. Let me just have a look. Yes, I can see it. I don't know why. This is white background, kind of white. Yes, it is cream color, I think. Yeah, cream color, and the light, I think because of light, I need to put something in front of light. I don't know what to do now. We need to deal with this. I will delete this live anyways. I won't keep it. I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. Thank you very much. Till then, you are new house. Yes, I am in my new house. Assalamu alaikum, salam everyone. Your background light, yes, it is flickering so much. I can see that. The thing is, I haven't set it up yet. I'm waiting for my new table. I need to get a new desk and change the direction. I will have green screen at the back and proper lights and everything. It just takes time. As I said, I'm going back home next month, and maybe after that, when I come back from there, I will do proper videos. I will do proper everything. Okay, again, I'm saying YouTube is now my source of earning or the living. I'm not living on YouTube. I'm living on trading, and for trading, I don't need anyone. You get what I mean? Because I'm just here to help. I help. I made video on ETC. Everyone must have made profit in my groups. I help everyone. If I wanted to do anything, if I want to charge, I could have charged earlier. But I am planning to do something better, maybe a course or something, or group classes that will be of course charged, because free things doesn't have value. I have big community that I can't have everyone in my group, so to select interested people, like they are willing to learn and everything, of course there will be a fees, like always. Walaikum salam, Ibrahim. All right. What I was saying is, yeah, about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking good. That's 9500 is the level I'm looking for. Then there is a level 10,200 next level, but the strong level for us right now is roughly, we can say, 11,000. By the time we reach here, even we go slowly, but the time we reach here, 11,000 is gonna be a strong resistance for us, because if we see, if we go slowly crawling here, and this is going to be our level, and then we're going to come back, hopefully something like that will happen. But all depends how it's gonna go. If you see my live chart, I already remove all the charts. This was head and shoulder that has been made recently. There were two head and shoulders, but both of them got failed. Like it was a bit dodgy situation. So if you see, we had the green volume here. This shows the trend is changed. Like this was the most the second biggest volume bar, daily bar, and that's why the trend changed. And I gave a signal in my group at 60 below 6500 is a buy. You should be buying. I gave the reason why you should be buying as well. This was a pure buy. You can it just shows there the buying volume. It was huge. The buying volume was huge at 6,000, because people are so dumb expecting 3,000. It can go there, but BTC goes down because of bad news, nothing else. And every time you see when the market is going up, there's no bad news, but there's a bad news when the market is dumping. It's just something is clearly sign of that the market has been manipulated a lot. He always did. Okay, whenever the Bitcoin did a correction or pullback, there was a bad news that made it happen. There's always a bad news required to do this thing with Bitcoin, and that's what people do. And then they follow technical analysis. They follow their, oh, how low it will go, and people start selling, get panic. I'm still holding. I sold some, but I'm still holding. The thing is with me, uh, I even said before, I posted on my Facebook, sorry, that my way of trading is different. If I share something that you need to hold, or if you wanna hold, it's up to you. Everyone is in profit with ETC, but you can't expect me. Like you can't say, oh, if I'm holding, you're gonna hold as well. No, do what you think is best for you. If you're in profit, just book it, or whatever you wanna do. Just do your own analysis as well, and risk management as well. That's important. You need to do that. Yes, of course, they have to. There's no other option. They sell looking at the technical analysis at the peak, and then they want Bitcoin to come down so they can buy cheaper. That's what all happens in this market. It's nothing bad. How many days did we? Let me see the days we have been dumping for. So we dumped for 52 days. It's been quick. 52 days we had a downtrend. Yeah, 52 days. Let's see what's gonna happen uptrend. So almost we can say a 2 month downtrend, but still we're going on. So there will be 2 month plus downtrend, and then as soon as we break this, there's gonna be huge spikes, volume spike, and everything is gonna change. I'm pretty sure that's gonna happen. And BTC is getting very good volume today. If we go 1 hours, 1 hour is consolidating in this area, it's been consolidating in this area, and that's very good sign. We have been holding this area, and this shows we may go for next leg. All right, as long as we hold hourly support at 9150 dollar is safe. All right, we need to hold this support at hourly, and we can expect a breakout, but the next leg of course gonna be breakout. And yeah, that's it. That's all I want for Bitcoin to do. It does require some rest. Of course there will be profit takers selling. Look at this selling bar, a huge selling bar, but still recovered. It shows that how strong Bitcoin is right now at these levels. People are still willing to pay 9,000 plus for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is not going anywhere if people are still willing to pay that. So yeah, right now this is the level I'm looking. As long as we hold this level, it's fine. It's very good actually. And then there will be a breakout. It will be a lot better. All right, a lot better. Let's see what happens. End of the day, the time will tell. I'm not gonna say much because things do change. On 4 hour, we're still here. It's nothing different. Like, it looks a normal one candle going up, and other ones just testing the support. As long as we hold these levels, 9,000 plus is safe in my opinion. 8,900 plus. We may test this and then a leg up. So all depends the daily candle. If we close above 9,500, this is a good sign, but we had pretty good spike today, and for that of course there will be a pullback as well, a profit takers. We had 10% move just today, so that 10% move of course requires at least some percentage, a 50% pullback to go up like this. We had every after 2 green days, 1 red day, or after a green day, a red day. This is very good sign, to be honest. It will give a lot of time to alts to grow as well at the same time. If we have next day red again and then a leg up, that will be a lot better. I would prefer that, having a red day, next day red day tomorrow, and then a green day. That will be much better because it will give a lot of space to Bitcoin to go up, because we already has been consolidating. The profit takers are out already, they're trading again. It just shows how strong is holding at those levels, because I really prefer red days. I don't wanna see these red green candle every day. So this is not healthy. I wanna see a red day as well between 2 to 3 green days. So I don't know. It's 39 of you watching me. I don't know, guys. Ask question because I don't know why this live is not going really well as I expected. It was just a quick one, and I wasn't really ready for it. And the light is flickering a lot as well. It does disturb when you're watching the video. It reflects to your eyes. It does affect a lot to you. It's very hard to say it's very hard to say at this point if you buy or hold. If we cross 9,500, all right, the next stop will be around 10,300. okay, if we see a pullback from there to test 9,500 again, 9,600, then it's a good buy. Okay, then it's a good buy. But as a long term, if you're thinking, only buy if you want to buy a risk free. Okay, if you want a risk free, wait for this line to break. The downtrend line needs to break. This can take a lot of time too. How? I'll tell you. If Bitcoin doesn't break this first time right now, and I'm not even expecting that, it won't do that. So for example, right here, if we see this, is a very strong trend line here, very strong, right, on weekly. And here's where Bitcoin bounced, and that was saying, all right, this is a level to buy. That's why I said it. If you see, this is the second biggest volumes bar we had in Bitcoin history. This is the first one when we had huge volume coming in, newbies buying it, the hype, and this was a smart money coming in. Right now, on weekly there's nothing much. All right, weekly we broke this already, and this was a good sign. And right now for in weekly, the next resistance for us is 11,500. Okay, as I was saying before earlier, this is a resistance for us, and even weekly shows this is 11,500 is our resistance, and that is where I'm expecting to sell, short-term sale actually. I will rebuy on the pullback. End of the day, it will grow my BTC. That's what I'm looking for. Doge is a shit coin. All right, Doge doesn't have much, nothing in future, as far as I know. Maybe they are doing something inside. As far as I know, from 1 year plus of trading, Doge is shit coin. People buy because it's very low Satoshi and cheap coin. They just buy and stake it. Right now, the level to look for 11,500. That is what I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to, and after that a pullback, weekly pullback maybe, and that weekly pullback will let us know how strong the Bitcoin is. Because if we go weekly and touch this week, I mean is Wednesday, we still have 4 more days. Yeah, 4 more days, right? 4 more days, 5 to, yes, 4 more days to hit 11,500. If we do, the next week, depends if this week is gonna close here, the next week doesn't close outside the line. It all depends how it's gonna go. All right, I can't say anything right now like this. Oh, this is gonna happen, this will happen. There's a lot of theories we can make. This can happen if that happens. So for now, it's better to wait. 11,500 is the level. 11,000 to 11,500 is the level, and the level I'm looking for. If we pull back, we need to hold the next support that we're gonna make. All right, this probably we may hit, come back and touch this. You never know, anything can happen. Okay, just to test it. So we may come down a few thousands to test the support, how strong the support is, and then a breakout, something like that will happen. But we still have time. Okay, don't rush. Don't think the Bitcoin is uptrend now, this will go to 50,000, will never stop. No, that's not true. All right, we're gonna test this level. I'm expecting a pullback, a slowly movement. Or what we can do, what can happen is something from here. Maybe we're gonna just remove this one on daily. That was a daily trend line. This is, if we go weekly, a long-term moves. So next 2-3 weeks we're gonna stay between this. As long as we stay between this, I'm expecting a breakout then. So what we can expect is by March, right? By March we can expect a breakout in Bitcoin, as long as we hold 8,000. Right, again, as long as we hold 8,000, we can expect a breakout by March. But first week of March, a breakout, it's gonna be so good. I don't know what to say, but it's gonna be good because a lot of volume gonna come in. Every trader will be looking for this trend line to break, and that breakout is gonna be amazing. Because I want to see making higher high, and that will show as well. There's so many signs that will show, all right, we're changing the uptrend. This is one of the sign, and then we'll need to break this level. 12,000 is not gonna be easy to break. That's why we need to consolidate a few weeks here before a move up. And what we can see, maybe after breaking this, we may see a double top and then down move, something like that. All right, it all depends what's gonna happen, but I am planning to cash out some more here. Even it goes up, I will see. uh, so much noise. Give me a second, let me close the door. All right, so that's what I'm expecting. By March we will see what's gonna happen. If we decide to go down again, we're gonna stay here. And the way I'm looking Bitcoin, that how strong it is, I don't really see it coming down so quickly, breaking this line. Maybe we may test again. Anything can happen end of the day. A big huge bad news, we may test this line again. But this is a very strong candle, a doji candle. It shows a reversal sign, and we can go for a reversal sign here. And yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. In case if we come back to 8,000, take a risk, buy some. Then just set stop losses below that. But this is a good area to buy. Let's see a fib level. What fib level have to say? If we take fib level from top to bottom here, yeah, a fib level shows the same sign. This is one of the resistance as well, 11,200, 300. This is one resistance as well. There's few resistance, but most likely whenever something happens here, if we break this, Bitcoin is going to test this level of 14,500, and then if we cross that, it's going to be 17,000. These two levels, whenever we see a push up, these two levels get hit a lot, and then a pullback if it wants to go down back like this. Right, if Bitcoin wants to go downtrend, we may get a push here at these levels, and then a slide down again. If that happens, then we may see a bounce again from this, and then a breakout down. So these are the patterns I see in the market happening the most. In Bitcoin happens a lot in low time frames. All right, this is a weekly chart, and I'm saying on weekly chart was possible on weekly chart, and right now we are fighting with the resistance of 236 here. If you see, weekly resistance is this one right now. After breaking this, we have nothing to stop by 11,000 in high time, in bigger time frame. Actually, that's what I'm trying to say. Alright, I'll do last ETC update, then I will go, because my brother is waiting for me downstairs. ETC is looking good. Alright, there's nothing to say. It's been making a circle, sorry, the cup shape. ETC is looking good. ETC is looking good. This is the move it's gonna do. That I even updated. I said everything. I explained everything in my video. If you haven't watched, the video is on my channel. You can watch the this is what's gonna happen with this. I mean, 100% we are gonna make that much money with ETC. I'm pretty sure we are. We had strong, all resistance broke here on weekly time frame, and this is right now testing the support. All right, this is the area, kind of buying area. I mean, if you missed here, if you're willing to take big risk, you can buy here. And then the next resistance that I'm looking for is 48. Alright, 0048. That's a good percentage move from here to here. That's 30% move. That's the weekly next resistance. Alright, but no one, like, people hardly follow on ETC a weekly chart. Maybe big traders do, but after this, after we break this, a 55, and then a huge spike is gonna when we go here, there will be a lot of FOMO. After this level there will be a lot of FOMO, and then there will be a top hit, and then we'll make more than 100%. I even said in my videos already. So yeah. Yes, TRX have fundamental news as well. TRX, I did share in my video as well. Well, I don't know what video was it. I want to do video as well. A separate video on TRX. There is news on TRX. Okay, there are fundamental reasons why TRX is good buy. And right now, if I'm not wrong, what we can expect right now is a move. This is a good buy for TRX. Below 500 Satoshi is a good buy. A bit risky but worth buying if you're looking for fundamental. If you're looking to hold, we have some fundamental reason as well. They have coin burn and a few other things. You can check in Coin Market Calendar, the website I already did video on fundamentals. TRX looks good. Alright, so far the volume is very low, but the most volume is selling volume. Yeah, it's kind of decent. Okay, what you can do is wait for 450, or you can buy some here and some at 460. 460 is a good area to buy if you really want to buy TRX. Okay, you may not get for this price anymore. Alright, if there is a lot of hype. Look in the volume, doesn't see much hype yet, but they have fundamental news. I've seen them. You just need to confirm yourself and do everything. But right now I'm expecting is 460. Yeah, some now and some around 460. Make a good average of 470. It's not a bad idea. All depends. As long as we hold 390. Alright, 390 is a strong support for it. If you buy 450, if you're willing to take risk of this, you can make very good profit here. Alright, you can expect around this levels. It can come around this levels and next leg, because whenever there is a hype of this, TRX is going to be very good hype. So this is 50%. You're gonna risk 20%, 17% to make 50%. That's pretty good ratio. GNT is so today I didn't know it had a news. Is looking good. Alright, it's breaking a downtrend line. That's what ETC did. ETC broke trend line, and this we've seen the breakout. This was a breakout. What happened here? This was a buying area, and this is a breakout happened, and right now it's gonna go down a bit just for support test, and people that want to buy it. Many people start taking profit already. This is a buying opportunity. If you try to get below around 4,000, now you may not get that anymore, but you can start buying as it goes lower if you don't really want to miss it. Okay, it looks good. The way the pattern formed, this pattern, the breakout of this pattern, the BTC did today something. It's very nice. Look at these candles. It's very nice, and this was huge buying going on here. These areas, this was all accumulation. This one, look at this buying. It's a lot of buying here. This is a pretty good volume as well here in this area. A lot of buying, and now it's just selling. So I'm expecting a good move, like a big move on this. If there is a airdrops, yeah, this is gonna be good. This is still in buying area in my opinion, if you really want to buy and hold. But you do your own research. I don't know, I'm saying on fundamental, because the news of airdrop is very strong news, and that can lead you to amazing profits. The next target, strong target you need to be look for is this one, this area that you need to look for at 6,000 roughly. This is the area that you need to look for. 5500 to 6000 is gonna be first selling point. But end of the day, whenever GNT pumps, it pumps very well. Look at it came from 1500 to almost 9000. It was huge, and then now a downtrend, and it just broke the downtrend. Oh, I'm so sleepy, I don't know why. I don't know. That's it, guys, for now. I will come live later on as well. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my live. I know it wasn't a great one, but at least I explained about Bitcoin, and that was the most important thing. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I know there's so many coins you want me to do analysis on. Right now, coin is. I just need to go right now. I have some work to do. This was a quick live. I want you to come just for Bitcoin mostly, but there is a title of arts because the title was already there. I didn't put the title there, and yeah, it was like this before. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.